Subscribe to Grawish Sachdeva and press the bell icon to never miss a video. In our previous video, we installed VMware Workstation Pro version 12 and now it's time to set up a virtual machine for it. Hello guys, this is Grawish Sachdeva and today I'm going to show you how to set up a virtual machine for your VMware Workstation Pro version 12. For this, first open VMware Workstation Pro and click Create New Virtual Machine. Click Next and then select Image ISO file. Browse Image ISO file. I have already downloaded an operating system which is Kali Linux and now I am selecting and booting it up. Click Next. Select Linux and here select Debian 8x 64-bit. Click Next. Increase the disk space. I'm doing it to 40 GB. Click Next. Click Customize Hardware and increase RAM up to 1 GB. Also increase your processors. I am selecting 2 processors and selecting 2 cores of each processor. Click Close and click Finish. Your virtual machine is created and now it's time to install it. Click Graphical Installation. I'm doing full screen mode. Select English and select your country. I live in India. Wait till it processes. Select host name. I'm adding my name here, Grawish, and click continue. No, I don't need a domain name. Just enter your root password. Click continue. Click guided. Use entire disk. Finish partitioning and then click here. Then continue the setup. Now installation has been started. I am fast forwarding the video. If you're asked to use a network mirror, then click No and click Continue. click yes to install the Grub bootloader. Install it in dev SDA. Now installation is complete and click continue. It will restart your system and remove all the live packages. Now the installation is finished. Kali Linux is being started. As you can see, a login page has been appeared. Enter the username root. And here enter your root password which you have entered in the setup before. Click sign in. Kali Linux has been loaded now. Thank you for watching.
We can make a wildfire get away.